Philippa, thanks for joining me on Member Monday. First of all, tell our members who you are. THG Eco, of course, an affiliate member.
Thanks, Tom. I'd love to. So I am the Managing Director at THG Eco. So we are the sales arm of sustainability at the Hut Group. So THG is a big retailer in the north of England. We're HQ'd in Manchester, and we have a big sustainability strategy whereby we've done our science-based targets recently, our SBTI submission. We've measured our footprints. We've done what everyone else is doing at the moment, and it's been a pretty tricky journey. And it's because of that journey that we then launched THG Eco. So we found the market to be incredibly opaque. When we first set out to measure our emissions back in 2019, we got different quotes for what we thought were the same thing. We weren't quite sure what we were asking for. We definitely didn't understand what we were given back. We were hoodwinked into purchasing carbon credits at extortionate prices, lots of confusion over retirement. And we kind of figured that if this was happening to us, and we're a big retailer with 8,000 employees, and we sort of occupy the whole of the Manchester airport area, if it's happening to us, it's happening more importantly to our network of suppliers, partners, and clients. And I've spent the last 18 months setting up Eco, whereby we offer a suite of services. So it's a one-stop shop for sustainability. We try and make it simple, straightforward, and cost-effective. And it's everything from carbon footprinting, life cycle assessments, carbon calculators, renewable energy certificates, carbon offsetting, tree planting, electric car vehicle schemes, and waste management. It was all of the things that as we were talking to our network, we discovered that they were looking for and they couldn't find in one place. So we've had a fantastic journey in the last 18 months, putting the proposition together, going out to market. We predominantly work with our suppliers and our clients, and everything we experience is exactly what they are experiencing. Overpriced, complicated services that make this journey to net zero even more difficult than it has to be.
So we quite clearly share an interest around sustainability issues. How can THG Eco help bathroom manufacturers?
So we became an affiliate member actually quite near the beginning of our journey. And actually, you guys have helped us develop the proposition. I'm not going to lie, we targeted verticals where we thought the emissions footprint were going to be big, and we were absolutely spot on with bathroom manufacturers. It's a really tough industry if you're looking to decarbonize and reduce, just because of the nature of the beast, how you produce your ceramics. So we have worked with different clients in different ways. So we've worked with one bathroom manufacturer who literally just wanted to get on the road and measure their scope 1, 2. We actually did scope 1, 2 and partial scope 3. And they are currently working on their own decarbonisation strategy and making huge inroads. It was a bit of a shock for them. 1 and 2 were not massively worse than they thought it would be. Partial scope 3, and I'm talking partial scope 3, was a big shock, but they agreed that if you don't measure and you don't know, you can't do anything about it. And then we've worked with quite a few members, but another member, which is typical of the sort of thing we're finding, who had a range of showers that were all very, very similar, but slightly different towards the final manufacturing part. So we did life cycle analysis for them. So cradle to grave, from the raw extraction all the way through to how they recycled the what they manufactured at the end. We extrapolated the numbers. We looked at how many they were buying and selling every single month, and we offset the carbon so they could then market it as a carbon neutral range. And it's really nice, and we're finding more and more bathroom manufacturers looking at that sort of thing and saying, how can we differentiate ourselves? How can we have a unique selling point and make ourselves a bit different from everybody else?
Philippa, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you.